Mga ka-educated, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang napakaganda kong sulat. Charan! Napakadali lang ng gagawin natin for this video. I-identify lang natin ang prepositions ng mga sasakyang ito gamit ang in, on, at. Let's begin. What is going on, mga ka-educated? Welcome back to my channel. This is me again, EJ. I'm a licensed professional English teacher and I create educational content. Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo sa patuloy niyong suporta sa aking channel. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa aking maliit na channel. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang prepositions in, on, and at to describe different kinds of vehicles. Actually, ito ay isang requested topic ng isa sa inyo, isa sa aking mga masugid na subscribers. Una ito sa 3-part series natin on prepositions. A little bit of disclaimer. Sa pag-aaral ng English grammar, expect a lot of exemptions. Maraming exemptions sa rule sa pag-aaral ng English grammar. So don't be surprised. And if you know these exemptions, let me know in the comments section. Ngayon ay napakadali ng ating gagawin. Ating i-underline lahat ng sasakyan na kailangan ng preposition na in. Lahat ng sasakyan na kailangan ng preposition na on ay ating bibilugan. At lahat ng sasakyan na kailangan ng preposition na at ay aking sasampalin. Take note, never ever use the preposition at for vehicles. Okay? Hindi natin ginagamit siya for vehicles. So, simulan na natin. Let's have the first one. Bus. Bibilugan o guguhitan. So, bus.
Dami sa! Dami sa! Dami sa! Dami sa!
Okay, we need to encircle it. So, bibilugan, car, guguhitan, ship, ating bibilugan, bicycle, ating bibilugan, ang boat ay ating guguhitan, train, ating bibilugan, tricycle, ating guguhitan, jeepney, ating guguhitan, submarine, obviously ating bibilugan, tank, ating guguhitan. Ngayon, let me explain why I encircled some of them and I also underlined the rest. So, bus. Let's get to this one again. So, bus. I'm on a bus. Bakit hindi I'm in a bus? Why I'm on a bus? Because on, this preposition is used for big vehicles. Malalaking vehicles. While in is used for small vehicles. Okay? Car, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. So, in a car, I'm on a ship. Ships are really huge. Bicycle. Siguro naisip nyo, pero sabi mo, on is used for big vehicles. Bakit ang bicycle kailangan ng preposition na on? Because when it comes to bicycles, we don't focus on the size. Kasi ang bicycle ay walang engine. So we focus on where we sit on, yung surface na yon. Kung saan tayo nakaupo, that's where we sit on dahil wala siyang engine. That's why we still use the preposition on. Okay? So on a bicycle, in a boat, but it's possible to say I'm on a boat. Kung malaki yung boat na sinasakyan mo. But generally speaking, boats are not that huge. Although may encounter kayong malalaking boat. So you can say I'm on a boat. Next one is train. So obviously malaki ang train. We can walk around, we can even run inside, di ba? So dahil ang train ay malaking vehicle na pwede kang maglakad sa loob, pwede kayong magtakbuhan or magkaharutan. We use the preposition on. Moving on, tricycle. Obviously, maliit lang ang tricycle. So, I'm in a tricycle. I'm in a jeepney. I'm on a submarine. Malaki ang submarine. I'm in a tank. Bakit ang tank malaking sasakyan? Why do we still need to use in? Kasi when we are inside a tank, there's really not enough space. There's not much space inside. Mostly nakaupo lang tayo when we are inside a tank. That's why we still use in for tanks. So ganun lang kasimple, napakadali, di ba? Now let me put your knowledge to the test. All you have to do here is to tell me whether we should use in or on. Okay? For each of these vehicles. Ready? Let's begin. Bicycle, bus, car, ship, train, jeepney, submarine, tricycle, bus, tank. At the tank!
What?
So there you have it for this lesson on prepositions. Alam ko marami sa atin ang alam na tong lesson na to, but it's also very important to refresh our minds from time to time. Tama ba? Well, I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, you hit like, and you turn on the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa aking future content. So that's gonna do it. I'll see you next time. Be educated and have the edge.